Kristen Marina. This is Agent U from the Department of Homeland Cleaning. I need you two out on the streets right now. There's a big emergency. You need to get out there and clean.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Agent U at the Department of Homeland Cleaning has given us a task.
We can't ignore that task.
No.
It's from the Homeland of Cleaning.
It's very important,
Sorry.
clearly. So, we are going to go out and we're going to clean the earth. And by the earth, we mean our neighborhood, because that's what we have access to right now.
Yep.
So, we're going to take with us some hand sanitizer, some house keys,
Gloves. I only have winter gloves, so it's not ideal, but if you have rubber gloves, please use rubber gloves and dispose of them. If you're using cloth gloves like winter gloves, I have mine from the Lost and Found, you can put them in the washing machine when you're done.
and we also have 2 bags with us. One is for trash and one is for recycling.
And you can also use gardening gloves.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
Let's go.
let's go.
I best not be the only one bending down today.
Hi friends, we are going to be picking up trash from the sidewalk as well as the street. That's what we plan on doing, but you and your parents can decide where you'd like to pick up trash. Please don't go in the streets unless your parents tell you that you can.
Ladies, I don't know what you're doing out there, but it doesn't look like cleaning. So do me a favor and get back to cleaning up those streets, please.
Yucky. I got the other half of it inside.
You can see there's lots of stuff all over the ground.
All right, friends, one issue with littering would be animals actually can get into it and can hurt themselves by eating food that's not meant for them or plastic. If you look closely, you can see an animal got into this Little Caesars red sauce that someone littered and ate the plastic. So we want to keep animals' health a priority, but also our own health, and you just really never know what can get into this.
All right, friends. So you can see Miss Marina and I have been out for only 15 minutes, and we collected that entire bag and that bag's worth of trash just on our street, which is pretty impressive. So we wanted to talk about a few of the things that we found while we were picking up trash and why these things are not great for the environment. So the first thing is this can holder. So these things are not great for animals. They can get caught on animals' necks or on their legs and cause them to be hurt. So the best thing to do for those is to cut them up so that way there are no circles, and then throw it in your trash. It cannot be recycled. However, this plastic bottle could have been recycled. So make sure that any plastic bottles or things that have a recycle symbol on it goes into the recycling bin.
Hi, we also have a few more items from my bag. I found a full pizza box out on the street. One important thing about recycling items is that they cannot have food on them. So only the top of a pizza box can actually be recycled, and that is if it doesn't have any food on it. So if there's cheese or anything from the pizza on the top, grease on the top of the box, you cannot recycle it, unfortunately, but you can still throw it away, right? You don't have to litter. And so this is, I believe, the bottom of the pizza box. So this is gonna go into the garbage. We also have, it looks like maybe it was a plastic glove or a bag. What's really important about these is they fly so easily up into the air and can go very far, especially bags, because they can capture the air and the wind. So that can end up in our giant local waterway, which is
Lake Michigan.
So please make sure that you're throwing plastic bags away or find another use for them, okay? Here's something else that could have been recycled. It is just a can of an energy drink, and this could have easily been recycled. Instead, I found it on the street. And finally, the infamous straw. We all know that using straws can be bad for our environment, are bad for our environment.
Because they're single-use
Yes,
plastic.
yes, single-use plastics are especially bad for our environment. But Unfortunately, you can't really recycle straws, so please throw them away. Just throw them away, because if they end up in the street, these can also carry out into your local waterways and hurt animals. Hi friends, just an important note that Miss Kristen reminded me of. Please try not to touch your face when you are out collecting garbage. We all know the dangers of touching your face right now are pretty high, right? Especially when you're touching garbage too. So try not to touch your face. I know that it's instinctual. You may have seen me move my glasses with my hands. It's because I'm constantly moving my glasses up my face. So I'm gonna go wash my glasses. I'm also gonna wash my face, and I'm gonna put these in the washing machine. Also, these are not waterproof, okay? These gloves aren't, so they got some liquid on them that I don't know what they are. So just for your own sake, please know, if you're gonna use these types of gloves, your hands might get wet with something, so try not to use these. Gardening gloves are better than this.
And now we're gonna go throw our trash away. It's what?
It's around every corner.
Oh no, litter.
Yeah.
A plastic bag, that's no good. Recycling.
Are you recording already?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
And while we're here, I feel great.
Great job, ladies. The Department of Homeland Cleaning is very proud of you. Thanks for making our streets clean and safe once again.
You're welcome, Mr. U. Anything for the earth.